The context of this course is arranged in 6 easy-to-understand chapters. Scrum is a framework which people have been using for decades to deliver complex products, and knowing how to use this framework will definitely set you apart from the competition. The first thing you will have to understand is that Scrum is a lightweight framework, meaning, anyone can use it because it is process-driven, and if you follow the process everything should work out just fine. Now I know you might be asking yourself, but what is the process? Don't worry, we will get to that in a second. The second aspect that makes Scrum stands out is that the framework is simple to understand and non-prescriptive, which you will soon realize as we go further. The third aspect has to do with mastery, and Scrum is rather difficult to master. This really has nothing to do with Scrum, quite honestly. Every project is complex in nature, and every environment is different in its own way. The Scrum roles, events and values might not apply everywhere. So be careful how you go about it. In this section, we will focus more on the values that made Scrum what it is today. In order to continuously inspect and adapt the work being done, a certain degree of courage is required which may reveal inefficiencies and potential flaws. Courage is observed in every Scrum events, and practicing it daily is highly encouraged. Scrum events are time-boxed, and practicing this technique helps everyone, both team members and stakeholders, to stay focused to the work at hand. Just like every other job, Scrum requires a commitment to the Agile principles for it to be successful. These values will enhance quality, continuous improvement, and continuous delivery, self-organization, etc. Scrum team members respect each other, their stakeholders, and business partners. They disagree in a constructive way to push the project goals further and meet deadlines. Openness exposes the state of mind of an individual, about the project, the process, the environment and the leadership, on issues that can potentially impact the project timeline and deliverable.